Welcome to Nature Connection. Let's talk about the fascinating world of elephant families. These gentle giants are incredibly social creatures with complex relationships. Let's uncover some amazing facts about them. Did you know that elephant families are matriarchal? That means the boss is a female. An older, wise elephant leads the herd, making crucial decisions about where to go, what to eat, and when to rest. These family units, typically consisting of mothers, sisters, daughters, and calves, can range from small group to large clans. Elephant families are all about teamwork. Female elephants take turns babysitting each other's calves. It's like a giant elephant daycare. This not only ensures the survival of the young, but also teaches young females valuable parenting skills. Elephants displaying affection, such as touching trunks or hugging. Elephants are known for their deep emotional connections. They form lifelong bonds, grieve for their lost loved ones, and even show empathy towards each other. It's truly heartwarming to witness the love and care they share. Remember that scene from the Jungle Book? Well, it's true. Elephants often walk in a single file, especially while traveling. This formation provides protection for the calves and helps them keep up with the herd. While female elephants live in close-knit families, male elephants tend to be more solitary. After reaching adulthood, they often leave their family to form loose-knit groups or live alone. But don't worry, they still have their own social structures and hierarchies. Elephant families can be dynamic. Sometimes they split up due to various reasons like food scarcity or internal conflicts. However, these separated groups often maintain connections and may reunite in the future. Elephant families are truly remarkable. Their complex social structures, strong bonds, and cooperative nature makes them incredibly fascinating creatures. Let's appreciate and protect these gentle giants.